Hello everyone, welcome to this series where we discuss synopses and summaries of important works of literature. And in this video, we are going to discuss The Parliament of Fowls by Geoffrey Chaucer. Introduction. The Parliament of Fowls is a dream vision poem by Geoffrey Chaucer composed between 1380 and 1390. This 699-line poem, written in rhyme royale, is considered one of Chaucer's finest works. It explores themes of love, free will, and societal order through the allegory of birds choosing their mates on St. Valentine's Day. Often thought to commemorate the marriage of Richard II to Anne Bohemia in 1382, the poem blends humor, satire, and philosophical reflection, making it one of the best occasional verses in English literature. Historical and literary context. The Parliament of Fowls is composed in the tradition of French romances while simultaneously questioning the merits of that tradition. The poem is set within the framework of a dream vision, a popular medieval literary device, and includes one of the earliest references to St. Valentine's Day as a special day for lovers. Chaucer's work predates modern associations with the holiday and aligns with the medieval belief that birds form breeding pairs in mid-February. The poem is rich with allegorical elements reflecting the social and political milieu of Chaucer's time and is often seen as a commentary on contemporary events such as the royal betrothal of Richard II. Characters. The poem features a range of characters that represent various societal perspectives and allegorical figures. Narrator. The reflective and curious narrator seeks to understand the nature of love through books and dreams after reading Cicero's Somnium Scipionis. The narrator's quest for knowledge and his role as an observer in the dream provide a frame for the poem's exploration of its themes. Scipio Africanus the Elder. This Roman general appears in the narrator's dream, guiding him through celestial spheres and imparting wisdom about the afterlife and the nature of the soul. He symbolizes wisdom and the transmission of classical knowledge to the medieval world. Nature. The noble goddess presides over the parliament of birds, representing the natural order and free will. She organizes the birds and moderates their debate, highlighting the role of nature in societal and individual choices. 3 male eagles. These high-ranking birds compete for the affection of a female eagle, each representing different aspects of love and courtship. First eagle. Noble and eloquent, he emphasizes his devotion and willingness to serve the female eagle. Second eagle. He claims that his long-term dedication and service make him the most deserving. Third eagle. He focuses on the intensity and sincerity of his short-term love, arguing that fervent devotion is as valuable as long-term service. Female eagle. The object of the affections of the eagles, she embodies grace, beauty, and free will. Her request for a year to decide emphasizes the importance of personal choice and autonomy. Other birds. Representing different aspects of English society, these birds provide a variety of perspectives on love and courtship. They include goose, offers a practical and perhaps bourgeois perspective. Cuckoo provides a dismissive and cynical view. Turtle dove embodies its ideals of courtly love and fidelity. Duck represents a pragmatic and somewhat cynical viewpoint. Plot summary. The poem begins with the narrator reading Cicero's Somnium Scipionis, seeking knowledge about the nature of life and the afterlife. As he falls asleep, Scipio Africanus the Elder appears in his dream and guides him through celestial spheres to a gate promising both grace and sorrow. After entering, the narrator passes through Venus's dark temple and into a bright garden where nature convenes a parliament of birds. The birds gather to choose their mates on St. Valentine's Day. Three male eagles compete for a female eagle's affection, each presenting his case. The first eagle offers lifelong devotion and service. The second eagle emphasizes his long-term dedication. The third eagle argues that his intense, short-term love is equally valuable. As the debate continues, other birds interject with their opinions, reflecting various societal perspectives on love and courtship. Nature intervenes, allowing the female eagle the right to choose, not to choose for a year, highlighting the theme of free will. She also ensures that the other birds can pair off and enjoy the new spring. The dream ends with a song welcoming summer, and the narrator awakens, still seeking more knowledge through his books. Themes: Love. The poem presents contrasting views on love through the debates among the birds, reflecting both the ideals of courtly love and practical considerations. It questions the merits and complexities of the courtly love tradition. Free will. The female eagle's choice to delay her decision emphasizes the importance of individual autonomy and personal choice in matters of love. Society and class. Different bird species represent various aspects of English society, reflecting the societal hierarchy and differing perspectives on love and courtship. The poem serves as a social satire, critiquing the customs and norms of Chaucer's time. Allegory. The poem serves as an allegory for human relationships, societal debates, and political events. The interactions of the birds mirror the complexities and contradictions of human society. Narrative techniques and style. Dream Vision Framework. This popular medieval literary device allows Chaucer to explore abstract themes through the narrator's dream journey. Rhyme Royale stanza. The poem is written in 7-line stanzas with an A-B-A-B-B-C-C rhyme scheme, adding a lyrical and structured quality to the narrative. Use of humor and satire. Chaucer uses gentle satire to portray societal norms and traditions, adding humor through the characterization of the birds and their debates. Rich descriptions and personified abstractions. The poem features vivid imagery and detailed descriptions of the garden and characters, blending classical references with medieval allegory. Artistic representations. John Creighton's Comic Opera 2008. This one-act comic opera was inspired by The Parliament of Fowls, highlighting the poem's enduring influence and adaptability. Conclusion. The Parliament of Fowls is a masterful blend of humor, satire, and philosophical exploration. It reflects the societal and political themes of Chaucer's time while remaining a significant work in the study of medieval literature. Through its rich narrative, complex characters, and allegorical depth, the poem continues to captivate readers and scholars, offering insights into the nature of love, free will, and societal order. So this was the discussion on The Parliament of Fowls by Geoffrey Chaucer. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other work. Until then, goodbye and thank you.